Hello and welcome back to my channel, loves. So today is the third look using this Amrezy palette. I don't know why that sounded weird. Just sounded weird to me. And this look that I have here is the look I created with it. I've been dying to go into that blue. I think me and half of, or more than half of everyone that wanted this palette was like, "Ooh, that blue is gorgeous." It is a beautiful blue. I'll give you this because I didn't say it in my outro. It applied beautifully, but you will see that in my videos how well it applied. If you're interested in swatches, two videos before this one, the very first one that says Amrezy, check that one out. That's the one that I included swatches in, so that way you could see them, or going to my Instagram, they are there as well. The swatches really left me shook, left me like, whoa, like, oh my god, you were really good. And that's all I can say. It was really good. And when I put it on my eyes, I'm like, oh, okay. So other than that, if you want to see how I created this look, I am testing out some stuff. I mention it at the end, so that way you know. But I am testing out some stuff for the first time today, and I'm a little blown away. And it's just the application. And so far, I've had the foundation that I'm testing. I've had it on for, wow, it's yes, one. So I've had it on for 3 hours, and it's doing good. So, anyways, without further ado, let's do the do. Which way?
I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? Say goodbye. I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. My love, I'm gone. I need to be strong. The darkness had tried to swallow me. Some days I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity.
So here is my finished look. Let me tell you, I did pop on, before I start talking about the palette, I did pop on these these lashes by Prados. This one is Cece, which is named after the owner of the company. They are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I can feel them when I look up. I can fan you guys if you are a little bit hot. Don't worry, I got you. I popped on my lips. Finally, I have bought this pillow talk from Charlotte Tilbury a while back. I got to use it once and then never again. smells delicious. And I was like, you know what, this is gonna go with the look, so let me go ahead and put that on. The rest of the products I'm gonna list below. I am trying today, though, I would like to let you guys know, I am trying the Bite Beauty foundation that came out, and their primers. So I got little samples when I went to buy my Amrezy at Sephora. I got little samples and I tried it, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am very pleased with how it applied. I used actually the Prado's Beauty, which launches tomorrow, being Friday, January 24th. I'm not sure when I'm uploading this, so if it's past the 24th, guess what? It's available. Yeah, it'll be definitely after the 24th. I actually use this brush right here to apply my foundation. I'm not a brush girl. Okay, I am not a brush girl. I am a beauty blender. Where are you? I am a beauty blender type of girl, and look how pretty clean this is. This is probably the only thing I used, which was to I put too much concealer, so I had to dab it out a little bit. I used that, and then just basically to pat in my highlighter and stuff like that, I like to use the beauty blender. But I use this for foundation and concealer, and it shut me up. Like, it shut me up. I don't like brushes, but this left it so smooth that I didn't need to go over it with a beauty blender. And then I used the rest of the collection. Love it. If you're looking for good brushes at a decent price, this is a company that I work very closely with, because they actually give 50% of their profits to help organization and people in need. And that for me is huge. What company do you know that's starting off that does something like that? It's rare. It's later on, when the company is huge and they need that tax break, is when they do those type of things. Okay? Okay? Anyways, so this is my third look with the Amrezy palette. I have to say, the only color I did not use from this whole palette is Litty. That's what it's called. Yeah, Litty, like kitty. It's the only color I didn't use. These are the only two glittery, very glittery ones. I did use the glitter from Gemini right here, just to, add another color. I'm definitely gonna do another look and incorporate Liddy. Liddy's pretty. I'm not a fan of glitter, guys. I love the way it looks, but it irritates my eyes. It never feels like right now my eye is irritated from it. And then I put the lash completely wrong, so it's irritating it a little more. And then when I have to go wash it off, it's like, ow! I don't care what glitter it is. There's some that are a little less harsh, but most of the time they are very, very harsh. I highly recommend the palette. It's my third look using it, and I actually really do love it. I was very hesitant. Do I get it? Do I not get it? I do have the Sephora Rouge Reward. So I was able to buy that, and actually the Lunar Beauty one, which I'm going to be filming with that next. So if you are interested in Manny MUA, or like I used to call him, Manny Moa, then definitely watch my next videos after. Yeah, it'll be after this, my next video, so that way you can see what I think of it and how good it is. And follow me on Instagram, guys. I am very active on Instagram. I'm doing giveaways on Instagram, so go ahead, check it out. I do little videos, I do stories, so if you actually laugh at these videos I put up, well, you're gonna laugh a lot if you go to my stories. Okay. Anyways, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. And that way you know whether to run or watch. Other than that, remember that every negative has a positive. And just, keep your chin up, guys. I will see you later.
I'm just going to stay like this. It's the only way that this freaking glitter doesn't bug. I have to stop patting my eyes, but it's so hard not to. I need help. I do. Can you send some help?